luxury truck turned dream home. Inside the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. Forget the stereotype of dirty, cramped truck cabins, because what you're about to see will blow your expectations out of the water. This isn't just a truck. It's a rolling luxury suite, a 5-star hotel on wheels, and one of the most jaw-dropping motorhome conversions we've ever seen. If you thought RVs were impressive, wait until you step inside this transformed 2025 Kenworth T2000. It's not just a motorhome, it's a dream. Mansion packed into 18 wheels of power and style. Welcome to Premium Motors Hub 2, where we showcase the most mind-blowing machines on the road today. If it's rare, luxurious, or built like nothing else, we're bringing it to your screen. So if you're into high-end vehicles, custom builds, and engineering brilliance, make sure you're subscribed, because this channel is your new favorite garage. Now, let's dive straight into the star of today's video, the 2025 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome. Originally built as a long-haul powerhouse, the T2000 is known for its aerodynamic design and road-dominating capability. But in the hands of visionary builders, this truck has become something else entirely, a fully loaded luxury home on wheels. From the outside, it still commands the same intimidating presence. Kenworth is known for massive grille, LED headlights, sculpted body, and a towering cab that looks like it came out of a futuristic movie. But walk around the back, and everything changes. The trailer section has been seamlessly converted into a high-end living space that rivals most apartments. And I'm not exaggerating, this rig turns heads everywhere it goes. Step inside, and you're welcomed by hardwood flooring, custom cabinetry, recessed LED lighting, and a fully functional kitchen complete with stainless steel appliances. We're talking full-size fridge, microwave oven, stovetop, and even a dishwasher. Yes, in a truck, the living area features a massive U-shaped leather couch, a fold-out bed, and a built-in entertainment center with a surround sound system and a 65-inch smart TV. There's mood lighting in the ceiling, soft closed drawers, marble countertops, and built-in climate control. This isn't a camper, it's a luxury suite, but it doesn't stop there. Move toward the back, and you'll find a spacious bathroom with a walk-in rain shower, ceramic toilet, and vanity mirrors with LED accents. And the master bedroom, fit for a king. It's queen-size memory foam bed, full wall storage, nightstands, charging stations, and blackout blinds for total comfort. No matter where you're parked, what makes the 2025 T2000 Motorhome truly special, though, is that it blends this luxury with Kenworth's legendary performance. It's powered by a high-torque Cummins engine, delivering both smooth long-distance travel and the muscle to handle even the steepest mountain passes. And it's all built on a chassis that was engineered to haul heavy loads across continents. So, you know it's rock solid. Onboard tech is another level. This rig is equipped with GPS navigation, satellite internet, a solar panel system, and an onboard generator for total off-grid independence. Whether you're parking at a remote lake or in the heart of a national park, you're fully self-sufficient. And let's talk customization. This build was tailor-made for its owner, down to the choice of leather stitching and even the sound of the door chime. But that's the beauty of a truck like this. You can make it yours. Want a hot tub in the back? A game room? A mobile recording studio? The T2000 can handle it. For those wondering why someone would turn a semi-truck into a luxury motorhome, the answer is simple. It combines strength, space, and status. You get the durability and road readiness of a commercial hauler with the elegance and comfort of a high-end RV. It's the best of both worlds. And in a world where mobile living is on the rise, this could be the future of luxury travel. So whether you're a trucking veteran with a taste for the finer things, or just someone dreaming of a house that can follow the sunset, the 2025 Kenworth T2000. Motorhome proves one thing: luxury doesn't need foundations. It needs wheels. Thanks for riding with us today on Premium Motors Hub 2. If this incredible build inspired you, be sure to like the video. Subscribe for more epic content and drop a comment below. What would you include in your dream truck home? Stay tuned because we're just getting started.